Hi everyone! So if you are planning to plant your tulips bulb, for me, I live in zone 5A, so this is the perfect time to plant my bulbs. It's very an easy, simple steps. All you have to do is dig a small hole and place your tulips. The flat bottom should be on the bottom side. This is the flat bottom. This should be on the bottom. And the tips, that would be on the top side. There's that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So as simple as that, and just cover it with your soil. So, as simple as that. And it is a good idea as well if you place some dead leaves on top of it, just to keep it warm. That's it.